Hello and welcome back to another Photoshop video. In this video we're going to focus on changing the color of the image. So here you can see we've got some leaves, and to change the color we're going to need to create an adjustment layer, which is in this adjustment section. Click here on hue saturation and you'll see that a new layer is created. Now all we have to do is where this hue slider is, we can simply drag it along and that will change the color to whatever color that we want here. Now a second method of changing the color would be, say, for something like this image. Now, in this situation, we only want to change the sky color. So we're looking at blues, essentially, that we need to change. So again, we're going to go to adjustments, and again, we're going to go to hue saturation. And this time, though, we're going to click here where it says master, and we're going to go change it to blues. What this will mean is that only the blues in the picture will change. So this green will not change, the other colors will not change. So as we change the hue, you can see that occurring, and that is a way to change the sky color, for example. So you might have greens for leaf, reds for flowers, could be various different things depending on your image. So yeah, so that's how to change the color. So thanks for watching.